So here we are then, the IIM Udaipur results are out. सुबह से ये चल रहा था कि इंस्पेक्ट एलिमेंट करके पीछे से स्कोर देख रहे हैं, इनफैक्ट कल से चल रहा था कि सीएस देख रहे हैं, आज सुबह से देन पोटेंशियली रिजल्ट्स दिखने शुरू हो गए थे एंड व्हाटएवर, बट फाइनली द रिजल्ट्स आर आउट. अभी भी चल रहा है कि दिख नहीं रहा है क्या नहीं है, वो सॉल्व हो जाएगा. इवेंचुअली यू विल नो व्हेन यू लॉग इनटू योर डैशबोर्ड whether you've been offered or not. Congratulations to the ones who have been waitlisted. Also, obviously, congratulations to the ones who've got the final offer. The reason why I'm saying congratulations to the waitlisted ones is because in this video, I'm going to take you through what is the chance, what are your chances at getting into IIM Udaipur. I would also be taking you through very interesting insights about IIM Udaipur placements, because you're somebody who's in contention for IIM Udaipur. Maybe this could be your best call. Usually, it happens that when you don't have the top IIMs, then this IIM Udaipur, which is also my B school, is your top choice. Now, every slide in this deck will tell you a story, not just about IIM Udaipur, but about current placement scenario, and it will be very interesting. Now, if you don't know me yet, I'm Darpan Saxena, an MBA graduate from IIM Udaipur. I have been the MBA product here at Career Launcher. I'm the founder of Creatum, where I help MBA students create fulfilling careers without depending on placements. Without further ado, let me go through the placements now. Here is this. So the final placement report for 23 to 25, which is an audited placement report, must I highlight over here, very important audited placement report. That is that the total participating students were 328, out of which 302 have been placed at IIM Udaipur. Now the next two rows, placements not sought via IIM Udaipur 23 and continuing placement services 3. तो continuing placement services तो पता चलता है कि वो unplaced है as of date भी, and college उनको अभी भी placement support provide कर रहा है, जो समझ आता है इससे, जो कि है भी actually इसमें. तो placement not sought via IIMU, अब इसमें तुम speculate कर सकते हो. इसमें somebody would say that you know what, that they got off campus placement, somebody would say that they went for entrepreneurship, somebody would say that भाई ये unplaced थे, इन्होंने थक हार के उससे sign out कर दिया placement से. तो ठीक है, तुम्हारे लिए एक safest assumption मान के चलते हैं कि यार ये 23 plus 3 26 people are unplaced, and total it's a 92% placement rate at IIM Udaipur. Once we go more into the placements, you'll know more things about it. 17.58 LPA for this season. 17 is the median, but there's a story which is right in the next slide, which is here. Now this slide becomes very important because this slide tells you two stories, two very important stories. One is about IIM Udaipur, second is about new IIMs and economy in general. Now you have the last 4 years worth of placement data in front of you, the average salary in blue and the median salary in red, and all of this is audited. तो IIM Udaipur साल दर साल पिछले कई सालों से audited reports करा रहा है, तो ये सब सही है. इसमें interesting चीज थी, the placements had peaked, had crossed 20.09 in 21 to 23. That was a very iconic year for IIM Udaipur. You had crossed a 20, and it was this year wherein students were actually choosing IIM Udaipur over some other conventional choices, जो मैंने एक आध बार रील में भी मैंने कहा था. So you know, like the students were very shocked कि अच्छा ऐसा हो रहा है. Believe you me, people were getting into IIM Udaipur over Shillong. That is okay, that is few students, obviously primarily due to location, but that was happening. And also with comparable non-IIMs, this was being preferred. It still is being, but you know that okay, this college has had reached that potential, that it has crossed 20 LPA audited, my dear friend. Because right now there are colleges, new IIMs, और ये वाले IIMs जो ये हैं, who are claiming 20 plus, but they are not audited reports. So that is a very different story. Inflation of the percentages of numbers goes on like crazy. Colleges, like some of these colleges are notorious for that, and that is that. तो वो वाली एक कहानी है. तो पहली स्टोरी तो ये है that the success of the new IIMs in general, that is that. The second story is that यार sustain नहीं कर पाए वो 18.77, वो 17.58. It's a reflection of the economy, not so much reflection of the competition among B schools. No, I think IIMs are mostly safeguarded from that, and especially if you are an IIM which has reached a 20 lakh mark, you are safeguarded कि ऐसा नहीं है कि oh you know कल हमारा market share कोई और कंपनी खा गई आके, वो ऐसे नहीं होता है. This is a reflection on the economy more so, and I'm very sure that IIM Udaipur with its legacy, it will come back to it, and 20 plus it joins the leagues of some of the best colleges who are averaging at say 23, 24, 25. I'll not take names because then कुछ बोलूंगा तो विवाद हो जाएगा. अच्छा अब आप IIM Udaipur को उससे compare कर रहे हो, but I'll just move on to this. The next slide is very important, function wise placement breakdown. As I said, every slide has a story in this PPT. Even this slide has a beautiful story. You can see that the rightmost column of 23 to 25 is arranged as per the percentages of offers. Highest percentage of offers, 24.17% was in sales and marketing and business development. वो भी basically sales है, ठीक है. Last year भी 30% of the offers, लगभग एक तिहाई offers जो थे वो sales and marketing में थे. True testament, or not that word, you know, it is a true hallmark of a new IIM. When you were seeing the similar videos offers for the old IIMs, you were seeing that yeah, consulting was 30% offers in consulting at IIM Ahmedabad, Bangalore, Calcutta. You will see a few more like Lucknow. अभी जब इंदौर कोईकोड आएंगे वहां पे भी है, कम है बट वहां पे भी है. यहाँ पे now you enter the category wherein you can clearly see that यार कंसल्टिंग अगर ठान लिया है करना है तो यहाँ पे MBB नहीं आ रही है, यहाँ पे बिग 4 कंसल्टिंग के लिए आ रही है. तो कंसल्टिंग में घुस जाओगे और बिग 4 में ऑप्शंस है और ऑप्शंस अभी आएंगे किन कंपनी पे, एंड यू विल गेट इनटू MBBs also eventually from there after a few years. That's all right, but then that is not the highlight. These B schools get sales and marketing the most, followed by general management roles. This covers a variety of roles. तो usually general management में बहुत vague roles को भी categorize कर देते हैं, but ठीक है. Consulting and strategy, which I was talking about, 17.88% roles, 18.91 LPA. Now these are your big fours. यहाँ पे PwC consulting आती है, AY आती है, EY आती है, I'm sorry क्या बोल रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे Deloitte आती है, यहाँ पे Accenture strategy आती है, यहाँ पे Accenture technology भी आती है. तो big four plus Accenture, you know, all of these companies they come, and a lot of other niche consulting firms also. So that is a way. Finance, not known for its finance, obviously. मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम्हें अगर फ्रंट एंड IB, VC, PE में जाना है तो IIM Udaipur is the place for you. In fact, वो IIM Udaipur क्या, except for then the top 4 IIMs, 5 IIMs, maybe 5 IIMs and a few non-IIMs, handful, 2-3, फिर तो कोई भी नहीं है. तो वो ऐसा नहीं कि that is a reflection on IIM Udaipur. Then next offers are very insignificant. I'll not speak so much about that. You can see it. Operations and supply chain. Yes, IIM Udaipur has a reputation to be a good operations and supply chain campus. That is primarily because of the fact that its founding director, Professor Janat Shah, who was also the director when I was a student over there, he stayed for 2 terms, I believe, 2 or 3 terms, I think, 2 terms. I'm sorry. He is actually he is a operations and supply chain professor. So that, and plus he's obviously, because then if you are a professor, you are a director of the institution, your connections in the industry are more in that industry, and therefore you'll be able to pull in more companies to come in. That is how a lot of these things happen. मैं इतना समय इसमें लगा इसलिए रहा हूँ because अगर आप जा रहे हैं, ये स्लाइड थी by the way, if you've not seen it, I was talking about operations and supply chain at a 9.27 and 15 LP, and बाकी भी मैं इसमें इतना समय लगा इसलिए रहा हूँ because if you're going into a B school, you're damn serious about it. Some of these insights I know only I can share, therefore it is my responsibility. Also, if you're going into your B school, please start preparing for your pre-MBA. I have curated a pre-MBA program. 3 साल से चला रहा हूँ. Students love it. You can check it online, reviews online. It's called How to B School. As the name suggests, it's a walkthrough of what happens at your dream B school, all the middle IIMs, what happens in your academics, how to do well in your academics. If you want to go for the exchange program, academics are extremely important. I've covered this inside of that. How to do well in extracurricular activities, clubs, committees, SpaceCom join करना चाहिए कि नहीं. What happens in friendships, romantic friendships, even that I have covered. How to prepare well for placement, summer placement, final placements, obviously CV building, important stuff. First year concept जो पढ़ाने वाले हैं मैंने basics cover कर दिया. How to B school, the link is in the description. You can't miss such things. I have curated it with love. If you've seen me on YouTube enough, then you know it. I am going to the wait list now. If you're liking this video till now, do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, because now I'll be doing more pre-MBA content for you. Do that. And last में एक बताऊंगा, एक free चीज भी दूंगा, तुम्हें कर लेना वो भी join, ठीक है. ये है. Now coming to the waitlist movement, भैया ये है waitlist movement तुम्हारा. The first row is the latest of the last year, 25 to 27. General movement 332. Prior to that it was 268. तो उसके साल का मेरे पास और डेटा नहीं है. 23 to 25, that is 545. But I'm skeptical about 24 to 26. मैं इसलिए vouch for नहीं कर पाऊंगा. Only for 24 and 26. 25 to 27, 332 बिल्कुल सही है. 23 to 25, 545 सही है. In fact, out of my knowledge, I can give you उससे एक साल पहले का भी, so that your perspective is clear. 22 to 24 जो मैंने include नहीं करा, that was around 750, 790. तो yes, wait list कम हो रही है, normalize हो रही है. Also इसमें you need to account for these colleges, middle IIMs, they give a lot of buffer calls also, तो वो भी factor होता है. But usually, obviously, how it works is that as the reputation of the B school is increasing, obviously the waitlist numbers will keep coming down. That is what it is. That is how it works. Now, if you are a student who's expecting calls or wants to speak to me, get into my free Telegram group. I respond there in voice chats faster than that. If you want to talk to me about woes, some issues, some challenges, convert नहीं हुआ या भी anxiety है, family से anxiety मिल रही, समझ नहीं आ रहा, talk to me one to one. You can book a call with me on creatum.co/mentorship. The link of that is also in the description. Let's talk it out. Let me know in the comments what are you feeling right now. I'm really eager to learn from you and know from you क्या चल रहा है. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks a lot and goodbye.